In today's video, we're going to check out the top 5 best pressure cookers in 2019. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about these pressure cookers, you can check out the description below. At number 5, it's the Crock-Pot 6-quart. To keep up with other parts of your fast-paced life, you most definitely need fast-paced kitchen appliances. One of those appliances is a pressure cooker. The Crock-Pot 6-quart multi-cooker offers to speed up cooking time, so you can spend more time with your loved ones and less time preparing food in the kitchen. The Crock-Pot 6-quart has 8 preset pressurized cooking settings for different foods. You could choose to eat sooner, or if you have the time, you can use the slow cook setting to eat a delicious hot meal. It also gives you the ability to make one-pot meals easily by allowing you to steam, brown or saute before programming the cooker. It has a 6-quart stainless steel cooking pot, which is pretty standard and enough for most families. Moreover, the cooking pot is non-stick, and it's a big unit that'll take up some space on your countertop. The cooker has 8 preset cooking modes for different meals like meat or stew, beans or chili, rice or risotto, yogurt, poultry, dessert, soup and multigrain. Each of these modes has preset pressure levels, cooking times and temperatures. Before pressure cooking, you must thoroughly clean the pot, which is effortlessly done, and you must make sure the pressure valve is closed so the pot can build pressure. After the cycle is finished, you should wait 10 minutes, then just turn the pressure valve to open position with an oven mitt, or use the quick release method, which involves no waiting period but must not be used with liquid foods. The user manual provides a good amount of information about the machine functions, describing everything from the temperature to the pressure settings to the preset modes. A nice feature was that after the cycle is completed, the cooker will automatically set the keep warm mode for up to 4 hours before auto shutting down. Also, all the preset modes work perfectly, resulting in delicious food. In the user manual were listed a lot of recipes that you can use in this cooker. To conclude, the Crock-Pot 6-quart is a perfect addition to your kitchen. Very good for people with dynamic lives that want everything to be time efficient. And with the preset modes and intuitive controls, you will love this. At number 4, it's the Instant Pot Smart Wi-Fi. As everything tends to become more automated and connected to our smart pocket companions, home appliance companies are looking for technologies and ways to complete the smart home dream. Instant Pot Smart Wi-Fi is connectable with your smartphone via Wi-Fi. However, it doesn't connect to any other smart device, and it doesn't have any voice assistant or voice controls. While its main selling point is Wi-Fi connectivity, the Instant Pot excels in cooking. It has 13 smart cooking programs and lots of pre-programmed recipes. It holds the pressure very well and heats quickly. It has a 6-quart stainless steel pot. Unfortunately, it's not non-stick. It's been tested in various cooking scenarios and the results were amazing. The rice was fluffy and cooked to perfection with Instant Pot's preset cooking modes. It's not just a pressure cooker, it's also a slow cooker, porridge cooker, yogurt maker, cake maker, searing pan, saute pan, steamer, and has the ability to keep the food warm. To activate the Wi-Fi feature of the Instant Pot, you have to download the Instant Pot app in App Store or Google Play. If you prefer, you can choose to control the Instant Pot without the Wi-Fi connected app with its physical buttons, but it's more convenient to use the app. There are over 750 recipes that are pre-programmed in the app as well. You can easily pick a recipe, then check if you have the ingredients, then just press the utensils icon when you're ready to begin the cooking process. The instructions will be clear and readable, and you'll have to follow those. When all is ready for you, just press the Cook Now button for your pot. The Delay Start option is also available, and after starting cooking, the app will tell you how long it takes to finish the food, as well as how long it'll keep the food warm for. All this is important for somebody who likes to take full advantage of the tech, but isn't necessarily a very useful tool. It has no voice control or connectivity with other devices. However, it's a great pot if you like to multitask, and it is certainly a reliable one. At number 3, it's the Mealthy Multipot. The Mealthy Multipot has the ability to cook your meals 70% faster. In recent times, it's gained a lot of popularity and sales because there's actually 9 appliances in one, such as a slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, saute or steamer, cake mixer, egg maker, and a food warmer. It has 14 preset pressure cooking programs, everything at just the touch of a button. It's also 100% bisphenol A free, made with the best materials and all the safety regulations. With a Mealthy multi-pot in the package, there'll be a good number of accessories. The stainless steel cooking pot that's professional grade, a steamer basket, the raised trivet to keep your food out of the water, spare silicone gasket, 2 very handy silicone mitts, serving and soup spoons, a rice measuring cup and the guides and recipe brochure. It comes in 2 sizes, in 6 quarts and 8 quarts, the latter being more appealing for larger families. The 6-quart size is perfect for small families and will make cooking a joy. The Mealthy multi-pot has a similar interface to the Instant Pot, so users of the latter will not have a large learning curve while using the former. But it's a well-designed pot. Strange saying that it's a pot, but it's an elegant device, that it'll not be an eye strain in your kitchen. Using this pot is foolproof and every button's function is clear and intuitive. Not a lot of space to make mistakes really, so taking a lot of guesswork out of the game. The cooking times are pretty quick and it comes to full pressure very fast. The accessories are a cute addition to the package. The spare silicone gasket is very functional, as you can use one for sweet, the other for savoury recipes. The trivet is also raised ideally 4 cm above the base, making it rather useful. To conclude, the Mealthy multi-pot is a very good electric pressure pot, designed to make everything easier for you in the kitchen. It's sturdy and good looking, and it also provides great value with its extra accessories and functions. All of the buyers recommend it. At number 2, it's the Ninja Foodi. If you're seeking to buy both a pressure cooker and an air fryer, your biggest concern most likely will be the cost and the space the products will take up. A solution to this is the Ninja Foodi, which essentially is an air fryer and a multi-purpose electric pressure cooker in one. It's a little larger and a little pricier than other electric pressure cookers, but it'll cost and take up less space than buying the 2 devices separately. The device has a rather large footprint, but it's very well made and sturdy. Also, it looks stylish and elegant. The dark grey smooth body with the wide base is very futuristic looking, and the display screen is rather functional. Explaining to you what is going on in the pot, it tells you how much time is left and other helpful information. It has very intuitive lights and the controls are very easy to understand. The pot is very easy to operate too. It's very similar to other electric pressure pots. The included cookbook is useful for commonly cooked items. This is convenient having the 2 functions in one device, however there will be some disadvantages and drawbacks. The air frying lid is not removable from the pot. The lid will stay in the open position while you're pressure cooking. The pressure cooking lid is detachable and it's rather large, taking up some space in your counters. The cooking experience is excellent and practical, and it does everything pretty well. Air crisping using the air frying lid, temperature is adjustable, cooking time up to an hour as well, making it ideal for a wide range of recipes. The pressure cooked foods after tenderizing can also be crisped using this setting. You can also bake or roast with this pot with the air frying lid. You can adjust the temperature from 250 to 400 Fahrenheit and the cooking time up to an hour. This is a very useful setting for roasting meat or baking vegetables. Pressure cooking is pleasant and it reaches pressure really fast and cooks rather quickly too. If you can afford the premium price, this is the best electrical multi-purpose pot that you can get, but its size and price might detract from some customers. At number 1, it's the Instant Pot Duo 80. The Instant Pot Duo 80 is the best electric pressure cooker based on its price, value, ease of use and features. It really has no competition when it comes to the value that it offers. It's very easy to use and, as its name implies, it's an instant pot. You can come home at 6 and eat by 6:30 with the Duo 80. Everything cooking related is easier with the Instant Pot Duo 80. It can cook 6 times faster than the traditional cookers, cutting down energy costs as well. It supports a variety of cooking modes, which naturally includes pressure cooking, sautéing, rice cooking, steaming, slow cooking, yogurt preparing and being a food warmer. It's also excellent at every task, and with its 14 preset smart programs, it's very hard to mess it up. You can cook your favourite food to perfection with the press of a button. But if you choose to change, you can also use the settings to your preference. Everything is controllable, like heat levels, pressure levels, cooking time, and even the temperature that'll keep the food warm. With its 10 safety mechanisms that are fail-proof against any mechanical or electrical fault, it makes this device very safe. There's only been one recorded case of damage to a person from this device, and that was a user error. The pot is built from 100% pure stainless steel with 304 food grade standards. Seals are complete and the heat distribution is even. ensuring hygiene and health in every food preparation. The Instant Pot Duo 80 has an undemanding cleaning, very quick and effortless because of its non-stick nature. If you're buying an Instant Pot for the first time, you'll have to endure a learning curve. However, with the user manual, it's going to be a lot easier. Everything is simply explained and you just have to follow the instructions for the first few cooks until you get the hang of things. It's a highly recommended product, flooded with positive reviews on Amazon, and it's an excellent product. It's near perfect and there are little tasks that it cannot tackle. The best multi-purpose pressure cooker, hands down.